How to connect Canva website to GoDaddy. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to connect your Canva website to GoDaddy. Let's get started. First, make sure your Canva website is ready to go. Finish designing it and click Publish Website. This will open up your website's publishing settings. Click Free Domain, then click Continue. After that, click Add another domain, and this will allow you to link a domain from a third party like GoDaddy. Then, switch over to your GoDaddy dashboard. Then, go to Domains and copy it. After that, go back to Canva and paste your domain name here, then click Continue. Canva will now walk you through a few prompts to help connect your domain to the website. Click Connect Domain, and these steps usually include logging into your GoDaddy account and confirming the connection. Then, head over to Canva again, review the necessary settings, then click Publish. Once that's done, your Canva website will be connected to your GoDaddy domain, but it could take up to 72 hours to process. And that's it. You have now connected Canva website to GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.